I swear half the time I make videos, I am in the dark. Half the reason is due to laziness. I don't feel like going to the shop right now and grabbing the Milwaukee. And the other half is an excuse I'm trying to think of. Basically, yeah, I'm lazy and I'm just dealing with what I got right now. Anyways, here we are. I got the space heater set up. It's not really doing much. Don't worry. I got some other heaters I'm going to get in here, heat everything up. I still got to close off the back. That way we can trap some heat in this area and continue to mask off the bay. Got the subframe pretty much covered up. I got to get some hoses off, cover up the brake booster, got to cover up the strut towers. And basically we are cooking. Today I'm hoping to have her primed and at least a couple layers of the base coat on there. Don't plan on laying down any pearls or the glass flakes, but I do want to get some work done today. So here's where we are right now. I'm going to get to cracking more and masking everything up. And I will see you guys hopefully with a spray gun. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so last time I talked to you, I was still in the dark. I didn't even have a light with me, and I still had the header in the bay, and I haven't even really begun to mask. And I told you guys, hopefully next time I see you, I will have a gun in my hand. And that is the case here. Well, not currently, but we got an aerosol can that we're starting off with to primer up. So basically, everything is all masked off now. Got bags around the subframe, tin foil just to help mold everything. It's easy to cover stuff off with the tin foil, all the hoses, shifter cables, any little stuff, and a little like a heat shield type thing back there is cover. Didn't get that off, but I covered it up the best I could with some tape and foil. Worst comes to worst, I'll acetone what I have to at the end. But for what I got, I'd say Pease and I have been doing a damn good job with it. We got a nice little booth, DIY booth going on in here. Everything is sealed off at the seams. It's a 4-way box, even the ground and the ceiling. It's got some foil insulation up there. We got ourselves a little door. Got a thermometer over there. Pease is hitting all the metal with the heat gun right now, just to make sure everything bonds correctly. I got the propane tank, and with that causes moisture in the air. So as you guys see, we have our handy dandy bags. These are called damp rid. So basically the goal of them is to get rid of the moisture in the air. And as you guys can see, there's already a couple water droplets that have fallen into the bag. So they're doing their job. And this is the Harbor Freight spray gun I'm working with. I've heard that it's not the worst. It actually does the job pretty well. Just got to keep her clean, which is the same with all paint guns, but working with what we got. I think we're gonna have a good time with it, and it should come out well, so stay tuned. We're gonna get it primed up.
Here we go.
All right, boys, here we go. See if I could be body shop guy. All right. I'm gonna spray it. Just wait. I'm going for it. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
I know I'm probably gonna get so much hate. I'm probably doing a terrible job right now, but trust the process. Oh, we got a bolt.
Get that bolt out of there.
Really customs.
Billy's Body Work. You know who to call.
Oh, dripping. Oh no. As you just saw, I was spraying the bay with a white primer, and then it kind of dawned on me. I'm painting the bay white, so I won't really be able to see it that well, like when I'm spraying the paint over the primer. So I came to the conclusion, after I finished with that can, I bought some gray primer. I did a layer over the bay, as I'm about to show you guys. And right now, here, I'll give you guys a little peek. That's the bay all primed up. But basically what I'm gonna do now is I got a Scotch-Brite pad. I'm just gonna scuff up the bay a little bit and then run over it with some alcohol just to get all the dust off. After I'm done scuffing the bay, the primed bay, then I will be ready to lay my first layer of base coat. I was just practicing with the Harbor Freight spray gun. I was getting the amount of fluid that comes out of the gun. I was getting that dialed in. There's a little knob to adjust it, getting the fan dialed in, and in terms of the air coming in or the air coming out, or yeah, coming in / coming out, I have a little gauge so I can control it there. I'm going to keep it at, I think, like 45 psi. Got a little update from the bay. As you guys see, the base coat is all on there, and it is time to lay down some glass flakes. This is the part I've been most excited about and most nervous about, because I have to lay down these flakes just right to make sure that it looks about the same as the body, and make sure that the flakes are all kind of blended properly and not heavy in one area than the others. But the primer has been laid, the base coat has been laid. As you guys see, she is platinum white right now, and with those glass flakes she will be platinum white pearl. And then we got the 2K clear to go on over, make her shine up nice, and we are in business. As you guys see, I've been painting over my strut nuts and the top hat and all that, and reason being is she's getting a new coilover, so I don't really care about that. But this video is brought to you by the Harbor Freight gravity fed spray gun. It's like 15 bucks at your local Harbor Freight. Definitely worth the pickup. I mean, as long as you keep that gun clean, it's going to do you right. Been working with some Transtar primer, some good stuff right here. Let's get that last coat on and get this baby freaking right. Alrighty. We are reporting live from the daily. I know you guys thought I was going to be spraying the mid coat in this video, but we ran into a slight problem, and by slight problem, I kind of mean a major problem. So I'll explain everything in my next video. I'm not going to get too into depth right now. Just enjoy that view real quick, guys. It's a little spot by the crib that I like to come down to and catch some nice sunsets down here. I have yet to do some fishing, but for all my fishing heads, I definitely want to pull some casts out here, see what we can get. I don't really do too much river fishing unless I'm going for cats. Maybe I could get some cats out here. But yeah, reporting live from the boat launch, everyone. So there's gonna have to be a lot more work done than initially planned. Shout out Napa for that. I will get into that in the next video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you got any questions, as always, leave them in the comments or hit me up on Instagram at thatwhitefd2. I appreciate all you guys following along with the build. And for all my new viewers, hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But until the next time, boys, deuces.